a fast boat. I take you a fast boat, Mommy?
You want to take me on a fast boat?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Put your face on the put the box your now. But what doing this? I take you a little fast boat.
Okay, let's go.
Mommy, hold on, watch that. Oh, full grass. Mommy, I got it in my pocket.
Oh, what is it?
It's a captain ship.
It's a what? Oh, what is it?
It's a captain ship.
It's a captain ship?
It's a captain hat.
Oh, it's a captain's hat. Do you want me to wear it?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have on your captain's hat?
I got something.
Oh, okay.
I got captain.
Oh, what is it? Oh, yay! You got on your captain's hat.
You put the sail.
Okay, I'll get the sail. You steer the wheel.
Put the sail down. Put the sail down this way.
Okay, I'll push the sail and you steer the wheel.
Mommy, do this. Then turn this up here. Mommy,
Where are we going to sail to?
we sail California.
We're going to sail to California?
Yeah.
We're already in California. We live in California. Where else should we sail to?
We sailed across the lake.
We're going to sail across the lake?
Yes.
Cool.
I need this. I need this, Mommy.
Okay. Woo!
Mommy, put the sail.
Push the sail. Okay, I'll push the sail.
Put a sail. This. Put a sail. Put a sail. Put a sail. Put this sail. What's this sail? What's this sail? Put a sail.
Okay, got it. Woo!
Mommy, you pull this. You pull that. Move that way.
Okay. Say bye.